That was solid. What do you think, Paul?
Big launches like that, he's gonna be in taking off the whole shot every time.
Big fat hole shots coming this weekend. I think some foreshadowing here.
He took the whole shot on the second race.
Really? He looks comfy. Look comfy, guy.
Yep.
Looking good.
Yeah, the whole shot devices helps a lot.
Was that first?
Second. I love it. That's it.
Nasty. Out here with Owen Levasseur on the Freshie MC250F Factory Edition. He's gonna do a quick demo for us. Local guy out of Rhode Island. Racing the Middleborough Series. You guys went out there on Sunday to race this thing?
Yep.
Sick, dude. Trevor?
Like a
He's been riding since he was 3, huh, Paul?
Yeah, 3 years old.
That's it. Ready? Sick. What do you think about that?
Music to my ears.
You and me both, brother. You touring the museum today?
Yeah.
Right on. Where are you from?
Southern New Jersey.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Came up just to see the museum?
Yeah, my uncle's service is tomorrow, and I've been threatening my son.